Are you ready to take your business to the next level? With the Data Analytics in Business Process module, which is a part of Masters in Data Science course, you can unlock the power of data to drive business insights and improve performance. In this module, you will develop essential skills and knowledge to help business leverage data and drive performance. By the end of module, you will be able to first understand the fundamentals of data analytics and its application in business process. Secondly, you will analyze large data set and extract meaningful insights. You will learn how to use tools such as Python to clean, manipulate, and transform data for analysis. Third, you will apply machine learning algorithm to build predictive models. You will learn how to use algorithms such as multiple regression, classification, and recommendation system to make accurate predictions. Fourth, create visualization and communicate your findings effectively. You will learn how to use tools such as Tableau and Power BI to create interactive dashboards. By mastering these learning outcomes, you will be well equipped to tackle real-world business problems and make data-driven decisions that can significantly impact your organization's success. So get ready to unlock the power of data and transform your business process with the Data Analytics in Business Process module. Thank you.